Rule number 1 on how to take care of a baby. Always stand up or walk around when you're holding that baby. Don't you ever even think about sitting down. Don't you do it. You better not. You better get up, walk around, stand up with that baby. Do not sit down. You better not do it. Since my first bit of advice went so well, I'm going to give y'all another bit of advice, okay? When watching a baby, when they're like chilling and having fun in their little seat or whatever, look how happy she is. Never, and I mean never, ever, ever leave the room. I'm here. Go ahead. Okay. That's right, Charlie. You tell him. You say, yeah, you don't ever leave the room. You stay in the room and you look at me the whole time. Tell him in your own words. Yeah, that's right. There she is. There she is. Happy to see Mama. Okay. Just wanted you to peek at her for a second. Alright, want to see Mama? There she is, right there. Right there. There she is. Alright. Where's Mama? Mama? Mama?
I'm right here.
What? She's in there? Let's see. Is there she is? Oh, there she is. Okay, alright. No more Mama. Wait, hold on. Wait, where's Mama? Where's Mama? Mama?
I'm in here.
What? Where? In there? Where? Oh, right there?
Hi, baby.
Oh, there she is. Oh, okay. Hey, wait a second. Where's Mama? Mama?
I'm in here.
What? In there? Hold on, let me see. Oh, there she is.